back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a simple 3-ingredient fruit snack with Autumn, or Mini R5 as you guys call her. We are making Halloween themed. You can get these molds, they're silicone molds from the Dollar General, Dollar Tree. Pretty much any store has them, Walmart has them. They're usually about $1. You can get holiday themed, all kinds of different themes. We've got the skulls and the jack-o'-lanterns for Halloween. We have many other molds though. I'll show you some of the other ones that we have. We have presents for Christmas or the birthday. Reindeer for Christmas. Valentine's Day hearts. And, of course, Mickey Mouse. Who doesn't love Mickey Mouse? Most of ours we got when they were clearanced out to about 10 cents each. So you can pick them up pretty cheap. The ingredients you need are the unflavored gelatin. You'll need 2 packs. Jello, any flavor or variety. We've got the Starburst Jello. And a 1/3 cup of water. Heat it up, dissolve the Jello. Once it's fully dissolved, you pour it into your molds and then let it set. It takes about 10 minutes to mix it up and get it dissolved, and about 20 minutes of it setting. So it's about 30 minutes to fully make these from scratch to table to where you can eat them. But it's an easy recipe to do with the kids. It's something fun to do with the kids. Definitely worth doing just to enjoy some time with your family. Come along while we show you how to do this. So we've got the water on the stove. It's already starting to boil because there is not a lot of water in there. As you can see, it's not a lot of water. So it starts boiling pretty fast. Now we need to add the gelatin. You might as well rip both those packets at the same time because you're putting them both in. There's no reason to rip one at a time. Teaching the child some tricks and stuff here. But she's putting the unflavored gelatin into the boiling water. And then you gotta get the flavored gelatin in. Let's hand it to me. The garbage is over here. See, this is why I told you to grab that out already, kid. The whole package? Yes, the whole package. And these are the 3-ounce packages of Jello. But once that's all added in, now you stir it all up. So just start stirring. And you are stirring until all of that sugar essentially is a liquid. You don't want any clumps in there. Once you take it off the stove, we added it into the Pyrex to make it easier to pour. And you're going to pour it into your molds. Don't overfill it.
Is that good?
That's good. They're fruit stacks. They don't need to be all the way up to the top.
I know, I just don't know where to stop.
She's making the jack-o'-lanterns right now. Okay, you gotta move faster on that because this stuff's gonna set. It does set relatively fast. You cannot take your sweet time filling it. We are not gonna get as many in this one because she kind of took too long pouring it into the mixture. And she's overfilling these by a lot.
I'm sorry, I'm trying. I don't know where to stop or what to do.
Like, you just wait till it gets like a little bit at the bottom and then stop, because then it's full enough. Like, you don't need them all the way to the top. Like that, stop. By the time it settles, it's about half full. Teaching kids.
My arm's tired.
Her arm's tired. Oh, geez, guys. But that's how you make these fruit snacks. We'll come back once they're all set so you can see what they look like. We're going to finish making up the rest of the stuff that we have, so we can at least do the skulls as well, because we ain't doing the skulls with the blue, obviously. They're ready to come out of the molds. It comes out very easy. Just press the middle back, kind of pull backwards, and it's going to pop them out basically. They just peel right off. They're not sticky. They're just going to peel right out of there. So they're real easy to remove. We did end up having to do all of our molds because we did too many different color varieties to do just the 2 molds we had for Halloween. But they come off very easy. There's nothing sticking. There's actually no residue even on there from it. Ooh, creepy. And obviously these are bigger than a typical fruit snack would be. I'll show you the Mickey Mouse ones because those are more traditional sized fruit snacks. Now if you fill these only like halfway, like this one, you're going to get a thinner fruit snack that's more traditional size because of the thin. But it's just a fun little thing you can do with the kids. Easy to do. If you're making traditional size, you're going to make a lot more in one batch than you're going to make with these bigger molds. You just can get so many fun shapes in the big molds. Especially around the holidays, you get all these different holiday shapes that are related to the holiday. Like the traditional size, they're nice and small. A lot smaller than those, the traditional size compared to the big guys. But guys, that's our Halloween plate. Looking pretty good, looking pretty awesome. What does the kid think? So now comes the moment of truth. Autumn is about to try the green skull gummy bear that we made while green gummy. Go on, Autumn. And what do you say? 2 thumbs up coming from Autumn. Guys, this is an easy recipe. Try it with your kids. Easy to follow, easy to do. The kids can more or less do it on their own. Go ahead, have fun as a family, and make some fruit snacks. Until next time, remember, enjoy life. And see you next time.